Phrasal verbs with do. Do up. Meaning: to fasten a coat, a shoelace, buttons, a seat belt, etc. For example, do up your laces or coat or buttons before you go out. For example, please do up your seat belt before you start driving. Do up. Meaning: to be fastened. For example, he has put on so much weight that his best trousers will not do up anymore. Do up. Meaning: to repair and decorate a house, a room, etc. For example, he makes money by buying old houses and doing them up. Do up. Meaning: to wrap something in paper. For example, she always does her gifts up beautifully in gold and red paper. Do up. Meaning: to make yourself look neat and attractive. For example, he knows how to do himself up for important meetings. Do without. Meaning: to manage, live, or survive without someone or something. For example, nowadays, people cannot do without a mobile. For example, we will do this project without him, he's on a business trip. For example, we have run out of sugar, so we will have to do without. Do over. Meaning: to do something again because you did not do it well the first time. For example, I need to do the presentation over because it had some errors. Do away with. Meaning: to get rid of something, remove, put an end to. For example, computerization has enabled us to do away with a lot of paperwork. Do down. Meaning: to criticize someone unfairly. For example, please stop doing yourself down. Do for. Meaning: to exhaust someone. For example, working 10 hours a day nearly did for me. Do in. Meaning: to make someone extremely tired, exhaust. For example, working all day really did me in. Fill in the blanks. 1. She spent hours herself before the wedding. Doing up. 2. I made a mistake in my presentation, so I had to. It. 3. The long hike really. Me. Didn't. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.